Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I recently ordered a 3-month subscription to a Cherry on Top's The Cherry Box. I've never gotten this before and I thought it would be fun to kind of do unboxing of it, and then over the next couple of weeks or so have a couple of videos showing how I use the products inside the box. And I haven't ordered kits in a really long time. I used to get scrapbook kits. And they accumulated over time. And so I ended up, I have a bunch of videos on how I've taken apart my kits and kind of rearranged them and organized them and everything. But so I haven't ordered a kit in a while. And this is more of like kind of a mixture of everything. There's kind of card making stuff, junk journal things. It's kind of a little bit of everything. And that's what I really like about this. I went through it already. And so this is the first month and I'm excited about the things in here because I think it'll challenge me to use some different techniques. And then also there's a lot of stuff in here that's good for my journals. So let's go ahead and take a look. So like I said, this is the July box and it gives you a little card inside with a list of everything that's in the box. And then if you open it, there's kind of a little directions on how to use the mica powder that's inside. And I've never had mica powder before, so I love the colors that they sent. So I'll show you what those look like. And you get quite a bit in here. And I ordered a 3-month subscription. I think you can order it month by month, but I think you get a better deal if you order multiple months at a time. So I just went ahead and did the 3-month to start, just to see how I liked it. So first I got these really neat charms from Prima. And right away, I know I'm going to use these for making like dangles for the ends of my journals. And it's a watch face. It doesn't have a front to it, but I'm thinking I'm going to possibly cut out some pattern paper and put it inside of here. I'm just going to experiment a little bit with these and see what else I can do with them. And I will get back to you on how I use those. And then this is the mica powder I was talking about. And mica powder, let's see how they describe it in here. It traditionally comes from a stone, and when it's ground into powder and added in painting mediums, it gives off a metallic or shimmery effect. So you can mix it with a lot of different mediums like texture paste, watercolor, and I really like the idea of mixing it into texture paste because I love using texture paste with stencils. So I'm definitely going to try that. It came with 2 containers of it. There's this pink and this purple, which is really pretty. So I'm excited to try those. I also got a big box of glass beads, which are great for shaker cards and shaker tags. And these are from Prima, and the mica powder was also from Prima as well. So, and these are just kind of a variety of darker colors. It has green, blue, red, purple, and some grays too. So that'll be nice for even possibly putting them inside of these little watch faces too. And then I am so excited that I got a 6x6 paper pad of the Golden Coast Prima paper. I had a couple months ago bought just a couple of pieces of paper from the Gold Coast. It's kind of a vacation theme, and I was using it for my travel journal that I'd made. And I didn't buy the whole collection. I just bought a couple of sheets of paper, but it's nice to get, I did like a lot of the other things that were in the collection, but I'm trying to cut down on my the amount of paper I get, although it can be difficult. But this is a 6x6 paper pad of all the Golden Coast collection from Prima. And it's just kind of a California kind of vacation-y feel. It's got like shells and palm trees and just kind of really fun images. So I think these will be nice to use on, smaller pages or something like that for my journaling. And you get quite a few pages of the same pattern. So if you like one, you've got plenty more to use. So that's Prima Golden Coast. And then I also got the ephemera pieces from Prima, which is great too because I didn't have these. Let me open these real quick and I'll kind of show you what's in them. The colors are so pretty too. It's kind of a lot of pinks and golds and I see lots of junk journal things that I could use, like this milk cap here, and then these pieces too. It's got kind of a vintage feel. So just some nice images. Little maps. Lots of florals too. These are really pretty. Let's see, and then there's just some more florals. Flamingo. So those are great. And then some Prima flowers too, and these are really pretty too. Lots of blues and pinks in here, which are great to decorate pages. Also use on cards, like maybe as a border or something like that. So I'll definitely experiment with that. Crystal dots. These are really pretty. I love the gold and the blue together. That's so pretty with the pink and the coral. Again, it's the Golden Coast collection, and those are really pretty too. These are adorable. These are little enamel trinkets, and again, you could add these on junk journals to use as charms. So I've been kind of experimenting with beading and making charms for journals. So I think this will be really fun to add to some of my journals. And then alphabet stickers too, and these are really pretty. They have kind of images behind a gold letter, and those are really pretty. You get 4 sheets. Oh, and it looks like you also get some little icons with it too, so that'll be really nice to use. And then this is a Vicky Boutin stencil, which you get 3 of these. I'll open this up and show you. Like I said, I love stencils, and I'm excited to try these with the mica powder and texture paste. This is my favorite, these circles. Let me just open this up. Stencils are such an easy way to just add like a really pretty background to your card. I like using them with texture paste, with ink blending, embossing ink, so like Versamark ink, putting it on there and embossing, heat embossing with powder. There's just a lot of things you can do with stencils, and I can never have too many. I think just all different kinds of stencils are fun to have. So these circles are my favorite, but then there's also these dots, and then this is almost like a like little pie pieces here, and those are really pretty too. Great for sketchbooks as well. So, and then it's nice they put in a little mini mister, which this is nice to, you know, spray your paper if you're doing some you know, adding some watercolor, like spatters to paper and things like that. It's nice to have a little mister too. So you get quite a bit in this box. So I'm really excited to start getting to work using some of these things. And like I said, I will put out a couple of videos. I plan to do maybe I'm trying to get more card making videos up on my channel, along with the junk journaling and the organizational videos that everybody really seems to like. So I'm definitely going to have a lot to work with, and so I think it'll be a lot of fun. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video.